Alrighty guys, thanks for tuning in. Deuces Wild Channel. I just hooked up the Gooniac 33 afterburner that he sent me about a week or so ago. I just haven't had time to get around to installing it and slide this over. But everything's hooked up. We're about to test it to make sure it works. And
motor on.
Here we go. It's just a quick test here. It's coming on, but ooh, it's trying to fly off the bench. Let's see. I might have to. And it works. It's trying to fly off my stand, but hey. Trying to film and do this with one hand is kind of tough, but yeah. MiG-21 is ready to rock and roll. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.